Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. If it's bright outside, the camera will automatically use the smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. So you can take bright, clear shots day and night. With dual aperture, we've used our industry-leading hardware to reimagine the camera down to its foundation. And we brought that same expertise to the image sensor. With the S9, we've integrated a DRAM memory chip directly into the camera as part of our new super speed dual pixel image sensor. That means the camera itself can process 4 times as much image data as before to minimize noise and create a noticeably clear image in low light. Combined with dual aperture, this means that you can take incredible shots, whether it's super bright or super dark. Now, your eyes probably just took a few moments to adjust in the sudden change in lighting, but the S9's camera adjusts instantly to take the perfect shot. See, when the lights were dim, we actually took a photo with the S9. Take a look. Pretty great, right? When we set out to reimagine the camera, we focus on the experience our users love the most. And everyone loves slow-mo. It's one of the most popular shooting modes because it makes everything look totally epic. The great part about slow-mo is you don't need to be filming a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's all about radically slowing down time to make everyday moments epic, which is why we're taking slow-mo to a whole new level with the S9 camera. Remember that new super speed image processor we talked about? Well, our DRAM memory chip powers the S9's all-new super slow-mo experience. With super slow-mo, you can record videos at an incredible 960 frames per second. That means you can stretch 0.2 seconds of time, about the length of a blink, into a 6-second masterpiece. So, want to see what this looks like in action? We've invited our favorite slow-mo experts, the slow-mo guys, to give it a test run. These guys, I know, right? Awesome. These guys make awesome slow-mo videos, and they've pretty much perfected the art. Let's see what they've created with super slow-mo on the S9 camera.
God, this is scary. Oh, get on with it.
Yeah. Oh, it's about to go.
Oh, God, this is scary. Go, go, go!
Hello, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow-Mo guys. We did name ourselves appropriately. Let's test this bad boy out. For the light?
Sure.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Loving it. Stop, stop. Ooh. 2, 1, go.
No! Jeez!
The only question I have now is, are you ready?
Nail it. Perfect. Good box position. Perfect. Nailed me right in the nose there. You want to do it again? No. Nah, I didn't think you would. Can I dry off? Yeah, right. Sweet. Let me watch this again. You go get dry. All right, all right.
Love those guys. Awesome. If you want to learn how to make your own super slow-mo videos on the S9, Dan will be hosting a short session after the show. And Gav and Dan will be sharing their full set of tips and tricks on our Samsung YouTube channel in the next few weeks. Now, just for comparison's sake, let's take a look at how super slow-mo stacks up against typical slow-mo on a smartphone. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Just look at that difference. And it's not just short clips. Using multi-take, you can record longer videos with up to 20 different slow-mo scenes. That means you can slow down the action at just the right moments. What's better than a cat video? That's right, a super slow-mo cat video. There you go. And for those moments that are hard to time just right, we have auto capture. Just choose an area on screen, and any motion within it will trigger super slow-mo. So you can capture the magic exactly when it happens. And you can also turn your slow-mo video into a GIF, which you can play forward, backward, or on a loop. Super slow-mo lets you capture fun memories and create amazing moments that you can share with your friends. Now, let's check out how cool it is to create your own masterpiece. All I do is open up the camera, go to super slow-mo, and in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I think we got it. Let's check it out. How cool was that? How cool was that? All right. I'm totally going to play it again. You got to see it again. Sorry. Have you ever seen water look that good? And every time you make a video, automatic background music is added, and you can customize it to the perfect mood. And if that wasn't enough, let's check it out in reverse. Nice. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Of course, there's some videos that make you smile so much, you'll want to see them all the time. So you can set your slow-mo video as your lock screen to give your infinity display a unique personal touch. Wow. Super slow-mo videos can be heartwarming or hilarious. Our partners at the Dodo and BuzzFeed have already created some pretty great ones on the Galaxy S9. I'm sure all of you will be just as creative when you make your super slow-mo debuts, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. And no matter how many photos or videos you take, you don't have to worry, because the S9 comes with a micro SD slot, which lets you expand your base storage. You can use dual aperture, multi-frame processing, and super slow-mo on both the S9 and S9 Plus cameras. And now, for the very first time, we're bringing the incredible dual camera to the Galaxy S series with the S9 Plus. The S9 Plus comes with both a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. And it has optical image stabilization in both lenses. So you can take clear, focused shots, whether you're snapping a close-up portrait or a wide shot that captures more of the action. You're not just creating memories, you're creating art. With live focus, the S9 Plus lets you take beautiful portraits by adjusting the blur of the background to make the subject really stand out. And you can do it even after you've taken the shot. Best of all, you can use all these incredible new camera features no matter where life takes you. Because, of course, the S9 is protected from the elements with water and dust resistance. Dual aperture for amazing shots day and night. A new super speed image processor for epic super slow-mo videos. And a powerful dual camera on the S9 Plus. This is what it means to completely reimagine the camera.